Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Solana. Wanted to do a full update here. We'll talk briefly about the fundamentals, but mostly we'll talk about what to expect. It's obviously a Sunday, and Sunday into Monday, usually that 24-hour period or 36-hour period, kind of the transition, right? That's usually very volatile. Solana has had a very volatile last 4 days, obviously with Bitcoin being very bullish. Solana following that, but before that, and we've talked about this plenty, but before that, Solana also being very bullish. And then yesterday evening, Solana on its own was also very bullish. As you can see, Solana made a higher high over the weekend, even though Bitcoin just reached its high again. So the relative strength is still here for Solana, all right? And that's also why I will keep covering this daily, and that's also why I think you need to keep a tab on this. I think that if Solana really starts gaining strong momentum in the short term, I think we can rally a lot, and I think we can rally quickly. In terms of TVL right now, I already told you this yesterday, but fundamentally I would call this a bullish divergence, right? Where the TVL, look, the TVL always moves with the price of Sol, because a lot of this value that's locked is in Solana coins. But what you can see right now, if you zoom in here, is that the TVL right now is higher than it was June the 5th. And then if you look at the prices, you can see the prices are at the same level. And you can even go as far as saying that the TVL right now is higher than it was May the 22nd. And the prices back then were much higher than the prices now. So there's a bullish divergence, right? Fundamentally, the total value locked is going up. So the usage of the network is higher than the price is. So there's an imbalance, and that makes me still bullish on Solana here. I personally also hold quite a lot of Solana, just to disclose that, all right? I don't think legally I'm supposed to. I don't think I'm required to, but it's something you should know, all right? Maybe because I hold Solana, I'm more bullish on that. That's a possibility. But I think technically, if you look at Solana right here, like first of all, and I've talked about this plenty, but first of all, I really do think this matters, right? So that Solana broke out against Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin was very, very strong. I think that's a very bullish indication and a very bullish sign, and I don't see this stopping, all right? So if this trend continues, even though we might consolidate here and there, that means that, all right, well, we expect Bitcoin to be bullish, then Solana can definitely outperform. And then if you look at the technical situation for Solana, like I don't really see anything bearish about this situation. All right, we actually, yesterday we talked about us finding resistance here at this trend line. Well, now, even though it's a breakout in the weekend, we also broke above that. So I'm looking to buy more Solana for a potential trade. I do think, like it's Sunday, right? So we'll have volatility. We hit a significant level. I do think at this point of time, also assuming that Bitcoin is having a pullback, which I am assuming, I do think some sort of a pullback is to be expected. All right, so we already had some de-risking of positions, or positions being closed earlier this morning. I expect that to continue. All right, so some sort of a pullback into this level right here between 165 and 160, I do expect. But given the fundamentals and given my expectation of the markets, I do think we will, first of all, hold that level. And second of all, that we'll be able to eventually gain momentum from that level, break above 176, and rally up to, well, at least this price target right here at 186, all right? And from there, we'll see again. Then we'll start talking about the 200s. But for now, those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.